Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. We're going to do a really fun one today. I have some white chocolate and we have the new M&Ms, and these here are the spring pastels. So you're going to get yourself a bag of these, pull out all the yellow ones, a little bit of white chocolate, and here we go. So the secret to this is to use a small spoon. This will just give you a little bit of control. You don't want to make these too big. You want to keep the ratio of egg white to the yolk, which is going to be our little M&M. You want to keep it, you know, within the specifications of a real egg. So I'm just going to get that down. And then with your spoon, just shape it out the best you can so that it looks like an egg white. And I've done a bunch of these and they're never exactly the same, and you're never going to be 100%, you know, I guess happy with every one. But some of them you'll get spot on. So I get my little egg white down, and then I'm going to grab my little M&M, make sure the little M is up, and then just drop it on there. Not in the middle, but just offset. Just like that, so it looks like a little egg. Perfect. Use a small spoon, and just get that on there. I'm not an artist, so you'll probably do a better job at your house. And just kind of get it around. If it's not perfect, just use a little fork or a little scribe tool, or you can use a toothpick, whatever you have handy in your house, and try to get it into that little shape of that egg white. How's that? That looks pretty good. Grab another M&M, make sure the M is up, and we'll just pop it right on around there. Then you can just give it a little push if you wish to lock that in. Usually they turn out better when the camera is off. I'll get another egg going here. I went a little crazy starting this off. Hopefully I can save this one. So that one there's a little bit too round. So I'm going to try to bring this around a little bit. If you flood a lot of cookies, you're basically using the same, I'm using the same technique that you would with royal icing. You just kind of bring it around and just twirl your little tool. You don't need a tool like this. You can use a toothpick. That looks okay. A little bit big. They're not all going to be perfect. And then grab the little M&M and get that right on there. And as soon as somebody sees a few of these, they're going to know right away what they are. So let me just zoom in. I want to show you these a lot closer up. Now that I've zoomed in, hopefully you can see how cute these are. And I'll just bring in a regular sized teaspoon just to show you the size difference between the teaspoon and the eggs. Almost the same size, so you can see very, very small, you know, in relationship even to my finger. I'll bring my finger in. So very, very tiny. So that's it for a really fast tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.